Hello friends, welcome to Suman Parshala. This is Suman. Today we will start the biology lectures. This is the first video of biology. Okay, so we all know that in general science I also started the physics. So some of the chapters are also be remaining. I will try to finish it as well as as soon as possible. So side by side the biology will be going on. So you will get all lectures of biology only in English. Okay, on my playlist. So let's start. So in this video we will talking about some introductory or basic knowledge of biology. That's mean what is the meaning of biology, what are the types of biology, how the biology comes from, terminology comes from, who are the scientists involved in biology, and main point is the syllabus, right? Which syllabus we will go through. Okay, all will cover in this video. So if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and join with us. So let's start. Okay, so let's start. So first of all I have to write biology word, right? Biology. Okay, this is a huge name, right? Biology. So first we have to understand what is the meaning of biology. We also read the biology for many times. You also listen it many times. But now we have to understand what is the meaning of biology, right? So first of all, if you divide this word, first is bio. Bio means what? Bio means living. Okay, bio means living. Living means if any organism or if any objects have a life, that means it is living, right? And if it is living, and that organism is called bio and bioorganism, right? In the world or in our surrounding, different plants, different animals are there, right? All have the life and all are living, right? All are living, right? So that organism is called bio or bioorganism, right? That means the bio means living. Okay, living or life. I write it again, life. Okay. And the second one, logy. Logy means what? Logy means study. What? Study. Study means study of anything. That is called logy. So here we will study about the living things or bioorganism. That's why it is called biology. And this subject, so if the science deals with the living things or living organism, or we say bioorganism, that is called only in subject, that is biology. And biology is another word is called life science, right? We all know life science in 10th standard. The life science advanced name is biology. Life science is the basic, right? It is a branch of science, right? Branch of science which deals with life, and it is the advanced form of life science, that is called biology. Same thing, but basic to advanced. Life science is the basic or base you say, and biology is the advanced, right? So now I erase all those things. Now we have to understand the terminology. That means biology. Which scientist first given this terminology? You have to remember Lamarck. Okay, Lamarck. This is the only scientist who first used the terminology biology. He observed so many organisms, like so many animals, so many insects, so many plants, and then he recognized the terminology that is called biology, right? Okay. Now Now we goes to, you say, we all know that the bio means life, right? Bio means life, right? Okay. So you tell me how you recognize or how you identify an organism as a bio. Suppose I have a marker pen, right? So you tell me, you call this as a bio or not? Not? Why? Because this marker pen have no life. So how you identify this marker pen is not a living thing? How? So there are so many characteristics or so many features are there on which base you recognize it, that organism as a biological organism or as a living thing. So what are the characteristics? Okay. First is growth. First I have write growth. Growth means what? Growth means size, right? Size. Suppose in case of marker, right? This marker pen, suppose is 5 centimeter. After some days, its length is 5 centimeter. Its length increase or not? What do you say? What do you think? Not, right? So why it does not increase? Why? Because it have no life. If it have a life, then it also will increase. It will increase, right? Suppose in case of me, in case of you increase. If your age also increase, your height also increase, right? Your size also increase. That means you are living, right? So that means if any organism have a life, it have the growth, right? That means it's increase in size, increase in length or increase in height, right? Okay, you understand clearly? Okay. So next I goes to second point is movement. What? Movement. Movement means moves. Suppose I stand here. Okay. After some times I stands there. That means I also moving, right? I move from this region to this region. That means I have a life. So now the question arises, why I am moving? I am moving because I have a life. And that is the another characteristic of life or living things. And different examples are there. Suppose in case of plants, right? In case of plants, their branches are moving. You tell me who is the scientist first identify it that the plant responds or plant moves? Acharya Jagadish Chandra Bose, right? Yes. So now what we understand, if any organism have a movement, that means it have a life, right? Okay. So next point is food. Food means, so now you tell me why we take food. Sir, because what? Because the food is the essential thing for our body, for our development, for our growth, right? So why we taken food? We will taken food for our nutrition, right? What type of food we taken? Like carbohydrate, protein, fats, minerals, right? All type of nutrition that is essential for our growth, for our development, right? So that's why we will taken food. But that means if any organism taken food for their development, for their growth, that means that organism have a life. That organism is living, right? Different organisms are there in our world. Suppose parasites are there. Suppose symbiotic, some animals are there. All are there, right? Different type of animals are there. Different types of plants are there. All are taken food for their development, for their growth. That means it is the part of a life, right? Okay. Fourth point is what? You guess? Reproduction. Reproduction. Why it is essential for life? Reproduction what? It's help generation. Generation means one generation to next generation. That means the offspring. From you, your child is born. From me, my child is born. From your parents, you were born. Right? So that is called reproduction. That means from an organism, a new organism is formed. That is called reproduction. Suppose I have a marker pen, right? If the marker pen have a life, then from that marker pen, new marker pen is formed. Then I will call it the living things, right? So that's mean what we understand. If we are living things, that four characteristics much more essential. And based on this characteristic or based on this feature, we will identify that this is a life. Right? Okay. So we understand all those things? Okay. So now we goes to the types of biology. Okay? The types of biology. Types of biology means what? The types are basically two types. One is the basic types. Okay? And another one is applied types. Okay, basic and applied. Basic means is the base of the biology. Okay, main branch, right? Main branch. This is also called branch of biology. Okay. So main branch what? Main branch are basic. Main branch are three types. One is botany. Okay. Second one is zoology, and third one is microbiology. Okay. So botany means it deals with only plants. Okay, this is the branch of a biology where we deals with plants, plants anatomy, plant physiology, plants respiration, all physiology things, plant section, all those things we discuss only in botany, that is plant. Also we call it plant biology. Okay, okay sir. Next is zoology. Zoology is only deals with animal. Okay, animal, all types of animal, all types of classification of animal, all description of animal, all will deal with in zoology. Okay, insects also involved in animal. Okay, zoology. And third is microbiology. Microbiology means microbes. What are the microbes? Microbes means that are also organism, but which are we not see properly in free eye. Suppose here I stand here. Okay, so here here my around. So different organisms are there in the free air. Okay, but I cannot see. Why? Because it is very smallest particle. This is called microbes. That's why we cannot see in a free eye. If I have to see this organism, I have to use microscope. Okay, so that particle, that organism is called microbes, like virus, bacteria, right? Like coronavirus, right? You listen, coronavirus, dangerous virus. So popular virus also. So virus, bacteria, protozoa, dust, all are also involved in microbes. All are included in microbes. Okay, that is called microbiology. If we study with the microbes, that is called microbiology. Okay, clear? Now I goes to applied biology. Applied biology means it is dependent on basic biology. If the basic biology is not present, the applied biology does not function. That means the applied biology depends on the basic biology. Okay? That means without the basic biology, the applied biology does not form. Okay? So now what are the applied biology? Applied biology means it is the application, right? We all know all those knowledge from this basic biology. Now how we apply the biology on the pupil, on the society, that is called applied biology. Okay? So what is the applied biology? Applied biology, suppose agriculture. Okay, agriculture. That means it's about cultivation of paddy, cultivation of food grains, different food grains like paddy, wheat, all those things. Okay, agriculture. Then horticulture. Okay, horticulture means cultivation of flowers. Okay, flowers. Okay, and then medical science. Medical science means it's about doctors. Okay, different type of medicines, right? Ayurveda, different type of medicines also involved in this medical science. Okay, then biotechnology. Okay, different biotechnology. Biotechnology is the only technology where you can form anything, or animal or plant, anything. Okay, artificial. Okay, in the laboratory you made anything artificially. We all know in the market different season different vegetables comes, right? Different color vegetables comes. So how it comes? How it comes from the breeding, and it's also involved in biotechnology. Okay, we all know in medical science if anyone the kidney is damaged or any organ fail. We all know that in medical science different organ transplant operation also be done, right? And it's also be possible only used in biotechnology. Okay, and this is a huge technology. This is a huge biotechnology also, and this biotechnology and medical science or both are made for each other, you say. Okay, this is very advanced technology in application biology. Okay, we all know in medical science different machines we also use, ECG, EEG, MRI. Okay, all under the biotechnology. Okay, so that's of the all of biology basic. Okay, and this is the all also different subject: zoology, botany, microbiology, and the different subjects are there. Also with different subjects like physiology. Okay, physiology, anatomy, all are different subjects. This is a branch of this basic biology. Okay, like botany. If any student study about botany, he will also be read plant physiology, plant anatomy. Okay, all those things. And you also hear plant pathology. Okay, pathology means it's about disease. Okay, if you study about disease, it's called pathology. If you hear this terminology, pathology means is study about disease, different type of disease, viral disease, bacterial disease, all is about the pathology. Okay, this is the basic fundamental of biology. Okay, now I also tell you some little thing. That is, I also erase all those things. That is some scientist name. So what are the scientists? Scientist means, suppose Mendel, you will hear the Mendel. Mendel is called father of genetics. Okay, Mendel. You will hear Robert Hooke. Okay, Robert Hooke, first scientist who will discover first cell from the dead cell. Okay, Robert Hooke. Then Leeuwen Hook. Okay, he also discovered the cell. Okay, this is dead cell, and he also discovered the living cell. Okay, from the bacterial cell. All we discuss on the when I will go through the chapter. I will discuss. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, and Alexander Fleming. Okay, all scientists we will discuss. Okay, the next video when we chapter also we will read. Okay. So now I goes to the syllabus. Okay, what the syllabus we will cover? We will cover the whole part of the biology. Suppose the main chapter is cell. Okay, cell, genetics. Okay, cell, genetics, and then the plant physiology. Okay, plant physiology. Plant physiology means how the plant works, plant transport system. Okay, osmosis, respiration, transpiration, transportation. Okay, photosynthesis, all we cover in plant physiology. Okay, fourth is animal physiology. Okay, animal physiology. Animal physiology means different system of animals, like digestive system, blood circulation system, skeleton system, kidney system, all those system we will cover. Okay, okay, all will cover topic by topic. All, so don't worry, follow my channel. Okay, okay, and we will cover also application biology. Okay, application biology. What are the application? What are the studies now? Biotechnology. Okay, biotechnology. How this is involved with our daily life. All we will discuss. Okay. So this is the today's discussion about the introduction of biology. So hope you will understand all those things. So if you like my concept, so please like my video and comment on below on my channel. So that's all for today. So we will see you on next video. Thank you.